Hello and Merry Christmas. I would like to show you the engine management system that I've developed for the 928 4.5 liter and the 928S 4.7 liter, the early models which ran just cage-atronic, the mechanical injection. This system may work on newer models as well, but maybe with some deviations here and there. But for the two early models that I mentioned, the system is absolutely bolt-on and plug-in. So what does the system consist of? It replaces the injection system with a modern one, and also the ignition system with a modern one, and makes use of a few sensors here and there to read things from the engine, and a modern ECU to control the engine. So here's some aspects. So here originally there's the ignition distributor with a 8-point. So this is capped off. This of course comes in the kit. Replacing the distributor is 2 ignition coils. What's important and what I think it's important is that you can use the original leads, right? So I've placed these in such a way that you can actually use the original leads from the car. So you don't have to order special leads. Of course you can if you want to. I have, because my leads were total trash. This car has been abandoned for many years. So back to the kit. These 2 ignition coils are here. There is a trigger system which reads the engine speed and engine position. This is placed on a custom pulley which you have to install, and it comes into the kit. There's a bracket here, but you can't really see it, it's out of the way, which holds the sensor, which reads the trigger wheel, and there's an intake temperature sensor, there's a coolant temperature sensor here as well, and there's a throttle position sensor for the 4.7. The 4.5 didn't come with a throttle that would easily allow a throttle position sensor, so the system works without it for the 4.5. The harness is also included. You can see the prototype here. It is not wrapped in this case, just because I need it for further reference. But of course, into the kits, the harness is fully wrapped and protected, and it comes with a kit. So the harness picks up information from the sensors and goes to the ECU, which is mounted, replacing the old ignition box. So the modern ECU is hidden there and is powered from this terminal. You see the extra wires. So and the harness connects the sensors, the injectors, the modern injectors, the ECU, and makes the whole thing work. There are a couple of relays. One I've mounted here. This is my recommended place, and one is mounted on the side wall here. The injectors are modern injectors, and they are attached to the original heads with some special adapters that I've designed. In the kit is also included new fuel lines, special fuel lines for these injectors, which go back to the fuel distributor, which is also replaced. So you remove the old 8-port distributor and you replace it with a fuel distributor that comes into the kit. Into the kit again is included fuel in and fuel out lines, which connect here to the car, to the original fuel lines, and go back to the fuel distributor beneath the fuel filter. And then from there it's distributed to the 8 cylinders. So yeah, this is a general description. What else can I say? You no longer need the ignition coil. I've left this one here. The harness is all plugged in, plug-in. There's terminals everywhere. You just have to connect them, plug in, and that's it. You don't have to remove the original harness. I haven't even removed the original harness. You can see it's still on the car. I just tucked it away and placed the new harness along the needed routes. Yeah. Included in the kit is also the tune, which I developed by driving this car for months, and also on the dyno. So the aim is that you get a system, a complete system, even the bolts, all the brackets that you need to mount the coils, the ECU, the injectors, the fuel block, the sensors, everything is included in the kit, even the bolts. So the basic idea is that you get the box, you take out some of the old stuff from the car, replace it with the new stuff, connect everything, and it fires right up and you're ready to drive. Nothing else needs to be done. This is the idea of the kit. So I've done this for the 924 for years now, and this is my 928 version now. Yeah, so this car has now a lot of testing hours, driving up and down, and the kit is ready for you to pick up and install on your car and enjoy. That's what I wanted to say and show you. Thank you very much, and yeah, happy holidays.